Yes, greetings to you in the best of salutations. What does it mean when when you have opportunity? Um, when opportunity um, presents itself to you, um, opt for a tune or to tune in to that which unites you, and that has a major role in one's growth and development as he or she embodies the opportunity to tune in to self and vibrate at a frequency that sends a message of unity, being one with self, and everything emanate out from the oneness of self in a harmonious fashion into the environment, the the circumstances and the condition, if I may use that, because of the environment, because you can tell the it's best to diagnose anyone or possibly anything of the condition of the circumstance or the conditions of the circumstances in which they come out of, surrounding circumstances, and knowing that everything has a nature and it submits to its own nature. Uh, Birds by nature, some have wings to fly. Fish, by nature, they swim, in the water, in the water, the air, the water, and but humans, they have the propensity and the intellect to, with their imagination and their faculty, human faculty, to create an airplane to fly. It's almost like they rival the 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 birds that fly, you know, or those are that travel by way of air. I mean, doesn't necessarily have to be bird, but those who can create enough wingspan, you know, and enough uh, speed, you know, and that's able to fly in the air, even if it's temporarily, like even if you temporarily above the ground and you're going a certain amount of distance, that's in the air. You're flying, well, even though it's temporarily. You're taking flight, I should say. You know, so we when you see an opportunity that which you can tune in at a higher level of frequency and embody that uh, that energy. how do you market that option to tune in to that which unites you? How do you market it? How do you brand it? Well, we know that in media, in this society, that memory is important. Memory is important. So you create something in language that you brand, something that is memorable. You know, there is or even that which is simple, like some folks say, just do it. And some folks come up, even the word, FUBU. Um, because humankind has been, programmed and trained, and can't say programmed and trained, but by nature, I believe we look at the end product. We want to see the end product. Therefore, that which we look at becomes a name, and that which we name is that which we can identify with, because we are all here to be productive. To be productive. Civil citizens in the city. The ultimate aim is coming into complete civility. That's the ultimate aim. The immediate aim is accountability. The ultimate aim is complete civility. But when we lack in accountability, that's moral culture decline. That's recidivism. Because if you are deprived of being accountable, then you will have to deal with in what is called the civil unrest. Because civil is it's not at rest. It's not at rest, which means it's not at peace. And that which needs to be at peace is the soul. But the mind must be at ease. The soul is at peace, and the mind is at ease. There must be a balance. You know, there must be a balance. So we have this opportunity on this plane of existence to live a balanced life, a harmonious life, as we walk in the light of social progress, and to be at peace, and your mind to be at ease, to heighten the serenity and lower the stress. For that, I must say, when we become participants in that activity, we are truly blessed. For blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall inherit the earth. Yes. Until the next time, talk to you.